To launch into golf mode, there are two different methods. You can either hit the aim button, which will be located on each watch face, or you can also hit the play golf button. So let's go ahead and try out that aim there, which will start searching for your satellites. Once the course is found, it will direct you to proceed to the tee box, and once you're at the tee box, you'll be good to go. The AIM W10 will have the ability to tell you distance to the center, front, and back side of the green. But then it will also be able to show you an in-depth view of the hole that you can zoom and move depending on where you are to the hole. If you would like, you can even get in more depth to see more features and more details of the course. To zoom out, simply hit the minus buttons, and you can go back to your distances. To change the hole, simply press the top icon and swipe either up or down depending on which way you would like to change. Press to confirm. Once you're within your detailed hole view, you're able to see the red arcs, which will be the distance away from yourself, and the blue arcs, which will be the distances away from the green, which we call our dual arc technology. The AIM W10 will also come with green undulation, which will show you the slope of the green, where the red points are going to be the highest points and the blue as the lowest. So if you look at this sample green, there will be a slope to the top going all the way to the bottom, and the brighter the color, the stronger the slope. Now that we're on the green, I can use the green undulation to get a better idea of how my ball is going to break. So let's take a look at how I can make this putt a little better. The W10 comes standard with a scorecard, which will allow you to not only keep track of your score, but your putts as well. To manually adjust the pin location, simply press and hold onto the pin, and once you see the icon come up, you can simply drag and drop wherever you see the pin fit. Not only can you see the distances to the green, but you can also see the detailed hole view, as well as the hazard list, which will give you more information about where you are on the course. To exit golf mode, simply press and hold the button on the side and confirm yes. To lock your screen for your AIM W10, press the power button 3 times, and you'll see a lock icon come up. To unlock your device, press those 3 again and you're all good to go. To change your watch faces, simply press and hold on the screen, then swipe either direction to choose which one you would like to go with. To access the settings on your W10, swipe to the right and click on the menu option. This will pull up the entire list of all of your settings, not just for golf, but also for the device itself. The first setting in your settings options will be your scorecard. This will show you your previous rounds so that you can keep track of how you've been playing and see any statistics that you're interested in. The next setting is going to be your golf settings. These will be the settings that you can see while you're in golf mode when you swipe all the way to the right, but if you'd like to adjust after or before your round, you can of course do that then. You can adjust your units of measurement, your dimming mode, screen always being on, brightness levels, and if tournament mode is going to be on. The next setting will be your pedometer. This will keep track of how many steps you're taking and will also tell you how many calories are burned in relation to those steps. If you're new to our AIM devices, feel free to check out the tutorial to go over the product in more depth so that you can become more comfortable using your device. The last option in this menu will be your actual settings. This will be different than your golf settings, affecting things that will not be related to your golf. So the first option will be the Bluetooth, which will give you the option to connect, which will be useful when it comes to our casting feature or our automatic course updates. The next option is going to be for display. This will allow you to change your screen brightness and how long it takes for your screen to time out. The next option will be for your time and date. The W10 does set its time and date automatically, so if the auto time setting is on, the time will set itself when you connect to the satellites. You can turn that auto time setting off to manually adjust your time. You will also have the option to read in a 12 or 24-hour format and have the option to turn your summer time, which is related to moving time forward and moving time back for time change. The next option is the motion setting. Now, when this motion setting is turned on, it will activate your screen when the screen is held parallel with the axis of the Earth. When you flip that, it will display your information, and when you flip away, the information will disappear. Your AIM W10 will have the ability to read its distances in different languages, so you can change to be whatever language is most comfortable for you. If your device is having any issues, feel free to do an emergency reset, which will take your device back to its factory settings. The last settings option will be your information. This will provide more information for your device as for the serial number, Bluetooth connection, and your firmware version.